Hey guys, how's it going? Today we are continuing our SQLAlchemy tutorials. In the previous tutorial we added some albums to our database. In this tutorial we're going to look at querying or accessing those albums from Python. So I'm just going to go ahead and comment out these adds so we don't keep adding the same records to the database. Actually, I'm going to comment out this entire section. So let's go ahead and access the albums that are already present in the database. So I'm going to say albums equals session.query. Query is the function that allows us to query data, and we're going to query album.all because we want all entries. Then I'm going to say for album in albums print let's say album.title. I'm also just going to add a divider there and album.artist. So let's go ahead, save and run. Here you can see we have Thriller by Michael Jackson, Back in Black by AC/DC, and then our two Adele albums. So that's all good, but what if you don't want to access all records from the database? What if you want to filter for Adele? Well, that's fairly straightforward. All we can go ahead and do is replace this all with filter by, filter underscore by, and inside you define what you want to filter on. So we can filter on ID, title, or artist. I'm going to filter on artist equals Adele. And if we now run the same code, you can see it only gives us the two Adele albums. So that's how you query or access data or records from your database. In the next tutorial, we're going to look at updating and deleting records. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like down below and consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.